Set your work screen. Go to Document in Toolbar and set the size of document monitor resolution to make sure there are no unused areas. Change Zbrush screen from gray to gradient black for a consistent background screen. Change material from matte cap red to matte cap gray or basic gray material. Know the keyboard shortcuts. There are many Zbrush keyboard shortcuts to learn that will speed up the workflow. Use timeline. This is a useful way to quickly move from one angle to another. Customize UI. Go to Preferences and select Config. Enable Customize. By press Ctrl+Alt you can move any brush, palette or button onto interface. Remember to save UI and store config. Use image planes for likeness sculpts. Assuming you have a front and side view of an object you want to sculpt, set up the image plane. Your reference images are the same size and preferably square. Navigate to Texture folder and import them in. Activate the floor grid. Go to Draw menu, click on Front Back subpalette and select your front and back images. Repeat accordingly with left-right view. Using Scale Master, many artists often run into a problem when working on multiple software scale problems. Import and export can severely affect the scale of the model. It is very useful to use GOES when constantly switching between Zbrush and other software. If you don't use it but want to make sure your scale is correct, you must change it manually in Zbrush using the Scale Master plugin. Backface Mask. Sculpting on thin mesh can be a bit of a hassle when moving or sculpting on one side and the backs will follow the brush. Change it by going to Menu Brush. Auto Masking. Backface Mask. Use Dynamic Subdivision to smooth out the mesh without adding extra polygons to it. It can be useful when working on a low poly mesh or with Subtool to view the model at a higher polygon density, but with the brush still working on a lower resolution base mesh. Use Subtool Master. This plugin is designed to make your workflow easier and simpler. Instead of scrolling through menus looking for a button or memorizing all the hotkeys, all you have to do is learn a hotkey that you assign to the entire palette. Thank you for watching Grapless videos. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe to the channel.